Hello YouTube, it's Too Cools 2, doing a weather update for the snowstorm / nor'easter that's in New York City and the whole Northeast, March 21st, 22nd, 2018. It's approximately 1 a.m. in the morning on March 22nd. As you guys can see, the snow is still falling actually pretty heavy. I don't know if the lights make it hard for you guys to see. It's pretty heavy, I would say heavy. There's some winds gusting you see down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. So the highest snowfall amount recorded so far in New York City is in Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, at 11.7 inches, according to National Weather Service. Those of you who don't know, by the way, I'm in Brooklyn, New York specifically. And so, again, it's 1 in the morning. Snow's still coming down. Pretty heavy. It's not going to stop until around morning. By 8 a.m. we'll be out of here. By 5 a.m. it starts tapering off. So let's look at the snowfall around here. I'm not sure what's going on though, because these two garbage trucks have blocked off the street, and now there's a fire truck down there. So I'm not sure what's happening. Zoom down there. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. They're coming up the block. So something must be wrong here. Anyway, so I had my ruler with me and I walked around and measured a few spots. The lowest spot I got like 4.5, and the highest I got on the ground was 5.5. On cars, the highest, I looked for a car, the flat surface, but I did find one. I'll try to show right now, and I got 6.5 inches. So that's picking up so far. And on the ground, again, if you guys see earlier, the snow didn't really stick today because it was a bit above freezing, but as the nightfall came, it started sticking. So the past few hours, in fact, I'll do it right here right now. I don't think this has been touched, so let's see. That is 4 inches, wow. So in the past few hours, 4 inches has accumulated on the ground. Now it's probably about 5 p.m., 6 p.m. So pretty good accumulation. Again, I don't know what's going on here. They're opening the manhole. It was nothing serious. They're all standing in the street, so. So let's go up to this car right here and measure. This is the car I used to get that 6.5. I'll do it again. Oh, over there I got 7. So it's a bit, not uniformly distributed on the car, but it's between 6.5 and 7 on the car, so that's pretty good. You can freely walk the streets here because they blocked off traffic, no cars coming. Apparently during the storm anyway, it's quiet. Wow, listen to that wind. Not just wind gusts. Blowing off the trees, the snow. Gotta be careful. This is, again, they said to be a very heavy wet snow, but it's not. So you look here, take the ruler. It's very easy just to push it out of the way. I'm not using any effort. But if I just measure here, I don't know if it's just touch. That's 5.5. So hope everything's okay. It is 31 degrees right now. Let's take another measurement here, why not? That is 5 inches. So. I have one viewer, not sure exactly where he lives, forgot. But he's gotten to 18 inches. So, and they close school for him tomorrow, by the way, which is open here in New York tomorrow, which I think is a really bad decision. You see the snow is going to keep coming down again until about 5 a.m. That's when it starts tapering off. 8 a.m. be gone. That's great and all, but people still, have to get to school and whatnot. So I think better just decided to close it. gonna get his last shot. 4-inch fire trucks here. So again, I'm not sure what's going on. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube. Actually, let me get a few more measurements. This one has been touched, I think, but why not? That's 5 inches. Put the garbage can here. That one's 3.5. Alright, again, thanks for watching YouTube. Please check out more weather videos right here on my channel. If you haven't seen the previous ones of this storm, go check them out. I generally do a series on storms. Please rate, comment, subscribe. And stay tuned for the next storm. Be safe out there, guys. Stay warm. Bye-bye.